So this is another question from date November 2020 from general aptitude. So find the value of f of 0 where the function is given in such a way that f x plus 2 equal to this x plus 1 to the power 34 minus x plus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So these four options are given 5, 7, 6, 72. So to make f of 0, we have to put x equal to minus 2. So if you put here x equal to minus 2, we get f of 0. So put x equal to minus 2 in this equation, we get f of minus 2 plus 2. So this is minus 2 plus 1 to the power 34 minus x is minus 2, 2 plus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So this will give f of 0, and this is minus 1 to the power 34 minus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So minus 1 to the power even, so it will plus 1 minus 1 to the power 33, that is odd number, it will be minus 1, and this is plus 5, so this will 1 plus 5, so this is 7. So this was very easy question. So option B is correct.